নমস্কার, নিউজ প্রাইমে আপনাদের স্বাগত। আমি সঞ্জয় রয়েছি আপনাদের সাথে। এই মুহূর্তে আমরা রয়েছি কলকাতার একটি অভিজাত হোটেলে, যেখানে কর্ণাটক ট্যুরিজম, কর্ণাটক সরকারের তরফ থেকে কর্ণাটক ট্যুরিজমকে প্রমোট করার জন্য কর্ণাটক ট্যুরিজম রোড শো 2024 শুরু হয়েছে। সঙ্গে পেয়ে গেছি এই কর্ণাটক ট্যুরিজম ডিপার্টমেন্টের ম্যানেজিং ডিরেক্টর ডক্টর রাজেন্দ্র কে ভি আইএএস। কথা বলে নেব তার সাথে। Sir, first of all, you are cordially welcome to our channel News Prime.
Thank you. Thank you.
Sir, what is the motto of today's program?
See, today's program is all about showcasing the diverse tourism destinations in Karnataka and making sure that we invite every single West Bengal people here by showcasing our diversity.
Sir, what attractive offers you are offering to the people of West Bengal on behalf of Karnataka Tourism?
See, maybe I think West Bengal is also having a coastline, some sort of estuaries. They are also having Bengal tigers. Bengal is known for tigers, but in bulk, if I see it as a package, Karnataka is such a state which has got a lot of diversity. Not only tigers, we have got a lot of elephants, a lot of leopards, and more than 600 species of the birds, more than 30 wildlife sanctuaries, more than 5 national parks, and the beaches, 320 kilometers of the beaches, the Joke Falls, many things to offer. And Hampi, this is like more than 4 UNESCO World Heritage sites we have got. And Hoysala, that whatever that holy this thing, sculpture parts are there. That's something like nobody can ever forget.
Sir, after COVID period, what is the situation of the inter-tourism industry in India and especially in Karnataka?
See, in Karnataka, what I have seen, maybe after COVID, after all the restriction, I think we call some sort of rebel tourism. Rebel tourism has increased. Maybe only thing is like only different district people are traveling around this thing. And our main role, motto is to like attract the people from the international arena and from the different corners of the country. And not only the state-wise, that inter-district movements. We would like to like invite the national tourist and the international tourist so that we flourish in our life.
Sir, being an IAS officer, you have successfully handled various posts of government posts and responsibilities along with. From this point of view, what will be your footsteps towards the enhancement and development for the collaboration of Karnataka tourism and West Bengal tourism?
See, I always am interested in some sort of a collaborative exercise to make sure that tourism field is like quite sustainable one. For that matter, Bengal and Karnataka, maybe I think if exactly, and quite rich in culture and heritage, and the historical aspects are like quite connecting each other. See, if I see that pleasant weather, maybe I'm not telling that it's a harsh weather, maybe just because it's very close to sea and this thing, maybe that pleasant weather what we offer is something like always the Bengal people can look into that thing. And that heritage part, just because it's in a plain land and it was ruled by different dynasties, and we could able to witness diversity in the sculpture, even the architecture, heritage buildings, and archaeologically important monuments, what we can see in Karnataka.
Would you want to say something to our viewers?
No, I would like to like invite all the West Bengal people and the viewers of the channels to come to Karnataka to witness the grandiousness of Karnataka's culture and rich tourism destination. I think I'm assuring you, you will not be regretting the decision to visit the Karnataka, because Karnataka definitely one state and many worlds.
Thank you so much, sir, for your kind cooperation and giving your precious time to news channel News Prime. অর্থাৎ যেমনটা ডক্টর রাজেন্দ্র কেভি জানাচ্ছেন যে কর্ণাটক সরকার এবং কর্ণাটক ট্যুরিজম ডিপার্টমেন্ট সবসময় তৈরি পশ্চিমবঙ্গের সাথে সহযোগিতা করতে, এবং আহ্বান করছেন পশ্চিমবঙ্গের প্রতিটি মানুষকে একবার কর্ণাটকে আসতে, সব রকম সহযোগিতা করতে, এবং তাদের আতিথেয়তার ডালি নিয়ে প্রস্তুত কর্ণাটক সরকার এবং কর্ণাটক ট্যুরিজম। কলকাতার পার্ক হোটেল থেকে ভিডিও জার্নালিস্ট বিরার সাথে নিউজ প্রাইমের জন্য সঞ্জয় শাহ।